West with Solar Midwest, and on today's episode of Brighter Solutions, we're going to talk about a Solatube Light kit. Now, the Solatube brings in a lot of natural daylight into dark areas in people's homes, but on days like today where there's a blizzard, or sometimes at nighttime when you don't have the sun in the sky, you need a little extra light out of that fixture. And so we are able to use an electrical light kit inside of the Solatube to achieve that. Our light kits, as you can see here, this is the apparatus we use. It's very minimal, so it doesn't actually obstruct any of the daylight that comes through the tube. And then at nighttime, when you need it, you have light in those dark spaces. Our 14-inch Solatube comes equipped with a double pole fixture like this, so you can put 2 light bulbs on it. The 10-inch Solatube, you can fit 1 light bulb. And that can be any medium base screw-in light bulb up to a 100-watt incandescent equivalent. We recommend LEDs. There's obviously some longer life in those, lower energy consumption, and they also have a lower operating temperature, so you can maintain a little bit better temperature of the air inside of the tube. At any rate, you get to choose your own color, temperature, wattage, and it's basically like any other fixture. So simply unscrew these. If you need to change one, it's really easy to do. This piece goes just above the ceiling, so it's really easy to access if you need to, and we'll show you how. So to access your light bulbs inside of the Solatube, simply remove the diffuser by twisting it counterclockwise. Take that down. Then there's a secondary lens here, and that is actually our climate control lens. So that prevents air from the home from getting into the tube and creating condensation or any other issues like that. Prevents heat loss. You can remove this by pulling down on the clear plastic tab. It just comes out like so. And then our light bulbs are just right here. And again, you can change it to any medium base screw-in light bulb of your choosing. Put the new bulb in. Place the climate control lens by just lining up the gasket and pushing it into place. Put the diffuser back on the same way that it came off. And you have light again. That's how you change the light bulb in the Solatube Light Kit. If you'd like to learn more about the Solatube, about some options for them, feel free to give us a call here at 763-335-0225 or send us an email. Either way, we're always happy to help.